Hi YouTube, this is JC Shazam13 and I'm going to show you my finished product of my skateboard. Here's my skateboard right now. The grip tape is, when you buy a skateboard, it's like it's not complete. The grip tape is like a sticker. You need to put the grip tape together. You need to peel off the white or the back of the grip tape. It's kind of rolled and stick it, and it will be like square on here, and you need to cut it like a razor blade. And the trucks are blue, as you see. The wheels are white but dirty because I just got it today. I just got it just 2 days ago, and I used it about like 30 times this day. Oh, I mean 30 times, 15 per day. And look, it's Baker. I just got it from my dad in New York. Just sent it to me. The wood is driftwood. If you buy a skateboard, you should buy it not complete yet, so you have experience like putting together a skateboard. And next time, if you buy a skateboard, you need all the stuff together. I'm just showing you my skateboard. I'm not kind of good at skateboard. I could just do like moving, like skating around, like turning left or right. I'm not yet done with like ollie, pop shove it, like do tricks. Okay, that's it for now. I'm gonna show you pics of my skateboard. I'm gonna show you two pics. I'm gonna put a link on the description, or I'm gonna just put something. I don't care now. Okay, see you YouTube. Bye.